What up, everybody? Here on the channel, we talk smart home tech, we talk home security. You've heard me talk about some of my other passions in my smart home tour videos. I show you my art. I love art. In my HomePod videos and Sonos videos, I've talked about my love for music. I'm a music freak. I'd have music playing in every room. What I've never talked about is a little more of an unknown passion of mine, which is weather. Huge weather geek right here. I love following the weather. I love spring storms. Great time of year for that. So today we're talking weather. Specifically, we're talking a weather measurement device from a company called Newentor. And I decided to see what it's all about as a weather geek. So let's get started. Yo, it's George Langabeer with Silverhammer Surveillance. Here on the channel, we talk smart home tech, we talk home security, we talk colon cancer, as I was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer in October 2022. Important for me to share that journey and spread awareness, so we've been doing that. But today's video is not about that. Today's video is kind of about a different passion of mine, which is weather. Like I said in the little preview, I'm a big weather geek. So a company called Newentor reached out to me about a 7.5-inch weather measurement device. It's a nice little display. Now, it's not like smart home in the app sense, but it's smart home in the fact that it's a cool little display and a cool little tech gadget. So when they reached out to me, sometimes these companies reach out to me and I'm just not interested. All sorts of weird things sent to me all the time. But this one, I thought I'd give it a shot as a weather guy. So we're going to unbox it. We're going to talk about the display itself. We're going to talk about what I think about it and how it works. So let's get started with the unboxing. All right, now that we've unboxed, let's talk about it. Let me show you the display and what it has to offer. It's pretty straightforward. All right, we opted to put ours in the kitchen. We got the outdoor sensor right outside on the patio mounted. And again, you want your sensor within range. I think Newentor says it's 300 to 350 feet. But again, on the outdoor temperature sensor, you've got the temperature display and the humidity, but it communicates with this and gives you your outdoor readings. All right, so there's our outdoor temperature. Now I do find after testing this for a little bit, that this seems to be a little high. And of course it's in direct sunlight, which we've actually have ours mounted under a table in the shade. So this is still running high because it is not 102 here right now. But anyway, that's the outdoor temperature. I do find that the outdoor humidity is correct. And then this just indicates that your outdoor sensor is paired, and that's a temperature sensor, or just a temperature icon showing you the temperature. Then down here, you've got the time, the date, and you can change that to an alarm. So this can be an alarm clock. And if it was an alarm clock, it would tell you the time that your alarm is set for here. You've got your forecast here, and it's just by picture icons. So depending on what it is, it's just sunny here. The clouds would fill in, the rain would fill in, so on and so forth. And it shows you a trend, whether it's even, up or down, as far as the forecast goes. And here you've got your moon phase and the tide, which is pretty cool. Now over here, you've got your indoor sensor, and I've been comparing that with the Ecobee thermostat, and that's been right on. So we turned the thermostat off here for recording, so it got a little higher than normal in here. We're usually at 72, but anyway. Then it's got your comfort level, what your smiley face or whatever it may be. It's just a cute little comfort level icon. Your indoor humidity, and down here is the barometric pressure. And you've got your trends and what it's trending. And on each one, you've got these arrows that'll tell you if it's trending just staying flat, or if it's trending, the temperature is trending up or down, humidity is trending up or down, which is pretty cool. But it's pretty straightforward and pretty accurate, other than that outdoor temperature sometimes. All right, so then here you've got your time setting button. That's to set the time. You've got your alarm clock button. You've got up and down to when you're changing those features. When you're changing the time and whatever, you got your up and down button. You've got this temperature alert button, so you can set the temperature to be alerted when the temperature is at a certain height or low. So, you know, if it's over 100 degrees, you can get an alert on this thing. If it's below 32 or whatever you want to do, you can set that there. And then you've got your brightness indicator. You've got a memory button, which will show you your past high and low temperatures on the screen. And then you can turn your alarm on and off here and mute it down below. But that's it. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to use. So that's it. Pretty straightforward. We're going to keep this short and sweet. Cool little 7.5-inch display that keeps track of every little piece of weather you could think of. And I find it to be pretty accurate, a little warm on the outdoor temperature, but otherwise pretty cool. So what do you think? Are you a weather geek too? I mean, like I said, unknown passion of mine, but I love the weather. And I'm so excited about cool storms happening right now. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you're like me, share that passion. If you've got one of these, if you like it, if you're interested in one, let me know. Otherwise, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Again, we talk smart home tech, we talk home security, and we talk colon cancer. And I haven't talked much about the cancer thing just because I'm kind of in limbo. So we're going to give health updates as needed at the end of these videos. But right now I'm just going through chemo. It's going pretty well. I feel really good. Everything's going as good as it possibly can right now. And we'll keep you updated as needed. 2 more sessions to go. And we got a big PET scan in the middle of July. And that's really going to be when I need your positive vibes and prayers. If that PET scan goes well, then I'm in pretty good shape. So that'll be our next major update. But follow me on Instagram. I give more health updates there and give you a little more insight about everything and some inside stuff in tech as well. So give me a follow on Instagram. Otherwise, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, peace and love.